Dad! Dad, I'm hungry.
Hi, hungry, I'm Dad.
I'm leaving. What are you making?
We're making edible cookie dough that's safe for you to eat.
I'd be concerned if it wasn't safe for me to eat.
Hi, welcome to Cooking with Space Dad. We're here with our guest, Keith.
Hi.
The emo one.
Oh, that's kind of mean.
Alright, you ready to get started, Keith?
Yeah,
Get
so
some family bonding.
what do we need?
Alright, first, we're gonna add the butter and granulated sugar to a medium mixing bowl.
That's a big mix. Okay, that's
Oh,
fine.
well, I don't know.
How much butter?
We're halving this recipe, so you don't have this in order, which is annoying. Whoever made this recipe, that's not how you do it. Doing 1/4 cup,
Is it supposed to be room temperature? Should I?
and then I can get the sugar ready.
Okay, how much sugar?
We need 200 grams, so that's 100 grams. That'd be a 1/4 cup. Keith, honey, how you feeling? Getting the angst out?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so sugar in the bowl.
And then some salt,
How much?
since we're half of 1/8 teaspoon. Oh shoot.
What happened?
I spilled the salt.
Do you feel salty about that?
Ew.
Did it just assault you?
Yeah. I'm supposed to be making the dad jokes.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean
Position
to,
as my father has been.
I didn't mean to insult you.
Do you see the disrespect I get from my children? They just are growing up so fast with the dad jokes.
So next up, we're gonna beat it.
Of course we are.
You look like you're in pain.
It's just so weird to hold this with the arm. Yeah, we probably could have used a smaller bowl.
It's okay. Okay, next up.
Alright. And then vanilla extract, and then blend in flour and cocoa powder while adding milk.
Wait, 3/4 vanilla.
The vanilla is a 1/2 teaspoon,
So 1/4 teaspoon.
so 1/4 teaspoon, but we're gonna need 3/4 tablespoon of milk.
Okay, wait. How much vanilla was it? Teaspoon or tablespoon?
Teaspoon, so
Okay.
it's a
1/4 teaspoon.
yeah.
I'm so tempted to make a joke about vanilla, but that's fine.
Or am I?
I was gonna say, I like without vanilla, but...
But we have to probably add the flour.
Next, or
Yeah. Because you have to, and then the cocoa powder.
how much cocoa powder?
1/2 of a third, so.
Oh, I'll just eyeball it.
Yeah. Should we explain what we're making?
Oh, I thought we said we were making cookie dough.
Oh yeah, this is literally chocolate cookie dough with tuxedo. It's a tuxedo cookie dough because we're using white chocolate chips. Yeah. It's the worst that could happen.
I just need my father's approval. I just want his acceptance. What's next?
So you add in milk,
How much milk?
1/3 tablespoon.
Okay.
Alright.
Do you want to pour in the milk in now?
Yeah.
I think that might be easier. Oh, there's a lot of smoke.
Cover. And it should come together. Probably could have used a smaller bowl, but oh well.
Okay.
I'm too swole. Alright,
Ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's not budging! What do we do?
Okay.
God, I thought we were gonna have to go to like the ER, and then they'll be like, "Why is this stuck on you to begin with?" Oh.
Oh man. The mere white morsels.
Do you want to put this into a smaller bowl?
Probably.
Is that bowl too small, or?
There's only one way. I don't know. Is it? I can always wash a bowl real quick. Oh, it works?
I think.
Well.
Haha.
So if we blend it in together in that, do you think it'll work?
It's already sticking together.
Oh. Well then.
I think we just gotta add the chips in. Do you want to take over?
Yeah, it's black and white. Tuxedo. Kuro and Shiro. I like how you're not commenting on how I'm just like
Huh?
making references. Nice.
Because the only tuxedo I know is Tuxedo Mask.
Most important tuxedo.
It actually looks really good.
Yeah, no, this looks really yummy.
Yeah, I think we're done. Do you need it refrigerated or anything?
Nope. We can eat it right now, and if we want to store it, we store it in the refrigerator. You want to have the first bite, kiddo?
Only if you feed it to me.
Say ah. You're going to choo choo choo.
Ah.
Is it good? It's fun to like watch your face change, be like, ooh. Here's your spoon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna.
I think it's actually pretty good.
Mmm. Oh, that's really good. It tastes like cookie dough.
It tastes exactly like cookie dough. I like it. I think this is a keeper recipe. Well, thank you all for joining Dad and I on this cookie dough adventure.
It's very sweet. Had some good family bonding experience. I almost lost my arm again.
Where is your arm? Yeah, that's not alarming at all. I'm sorry, I just saw the opportunity to hand that joke out.
Yeah.
Had to.
Yeah, he's quite handy in the kitchen. But don't worry, his palms are unarmed. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you for having me.
I'm glad you're here.
I know.
We made these cute chocolate ducks earlier with our leftovers.
Yeah.
They're adorable. They're so
I know.
cute. I'm so excited to eat them. I probably won't because they're too cute to eat. But yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Bye.